Very good morning, 8th class students. Our linear equations in one variable chapter completed. So today I am going to start new chapter, that is nothing but rational numbers. So, before going to explain about rational numbers, now I am going to explain basics. First of all, natural numbers. So, we use natural numbers to count the things. For example, one pen, two pens, one book, two books, one person, two persons. So, natural numbers are used to count the things. So because of this, natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. So, natural numbers are indicated with n. So, natural numbers are start from 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, so on. There is no ending number. So, least number of natural number is 1. And highest number it is undefined. Why? Because infinite numbers. So, starts from 1. But, if you continue this, these are infinite. Second one, whole numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers is a set of numbers natural numbers along with 0. So, whole numbers contains natural numbers along with 0. Whole numbers represents with W. Whole numbers represents with the W. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So this is nothing but 0, n. 0, n. It means every natural number is a whole number, but a whole number need not to be a natural number. For example, if I took 1, it is a natural number and also a whole number. If I took 2, natural number and also whole number. What is the meaning of this? Every natural number is a whole number, but a whole number need not to be a natural number. Note, a natural number is a whole number. But a whole number need not to be natural number. Why? Because, for example, 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. So every natural number is a whole number, but a whole number need not to be a natural number. So this is the information about whole numbers. What is the meaning of natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers. And what is the definition of whole numbers? Whole numbers contains natural numbers along with zero. So every natural number is a whole number, but a whole number need not to be a natural number. Next, integers. Integers consist of the whole numbers and their negative numbers. Integers consist of whole numbers and their negative numbers. Integers indicates with I or Z. I or Z. So I is equal minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So in integers we don't know least number and also we don't know highest number. Least number is infinite and also highest number is infinite. See here, all whole numbers are integers, but an integer not a whole number. All whole numbers are integers, but an integer not a whole number. A whole number is an integer, but an integer not a whole number. For example, if I took 3, 3 is a whole number and 3 is integer. See, whole number is an integer. For example, if I took minus 3 is an integer, but minus 3 not a whole number. Not a whole number. A whole number is an integer, but an integer not a whole number. Now our topic, rational number. A rational number is a number that can be written as in the form of P by Q, in the form of P by Q, where Q not is equal 0, where Q not is equal 0. Why? Because Q is a denominator. If denominator is equal to 0, we can't find the answer of the fraction. And P comma Q are integers. P comma Q are integers. In P by Q, P is called numerator and Q is called denominator. What is the definition of rational numbers? A rational number is a number that can be written or which can be written as in the form of P by Q, where Q not is equal 0 and P comma Q are integers. So in P by Q, P is called a numerator and Q is called a denominator. See, and rational numbers indicates with Q. So P by Q such that Q not is equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to I. Belongs to means P comma Q are integers. Examples: 2 by 3, 4 by 2, 9 by 6, 3 by 7, so on. Here one question there. Ravi said that 3 is a rational number. Justify your answer. Solution. I am taking 3. First of all, 3 is a natural number. 3 is a natural number. And also 3 is a whole number. And also 3 is integer. 3 we can write 3 by 1. 3 we can write 3 by 1. It is in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q. So 3 also a rational number. 3 also a rational number. So from this, what you conclude here? Natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Whole numbers are part of integers. Integers are part of rational numbers. For example, if this is natural number, natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Similarly, whole numbers are part of integers. Whole numbers are part of integers. See, natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Whole numbers are part of integers. Integers are part of rational numbers. Integers part of rational numbers. So every natural number is a whole number, and also every whole number is integers. Every integer is rational number. So this is a structure of rational numbers. So natural numbers are part of whole numbers. Whole numbers are part of integers. Integers are part of rational numbers. So 9th class students, 8th class students, today I explained about number system up to rational numbers. So here is the homework on today's concept. Least number of natural number is dash. Least number of whole number is dash. Highest number of integers is dash. Least number in integers dash. Raju said that minus 3 is a whole number. Justify your answer. Rani said that minus 7 is a rational number. Justify your answer. Justify your answer.